Good morning once again. How are you doing today? Hope you are doing well. My name is Victor Quager, your business success coach and consultant. Once again, I come here with a business building blocks episode 17. So, as you're rightly aware, we've been talking about how to identify business opportunities from anywhere in the world. And today, we're going to talk about how to look ahead and spot opportunities. So, another great business way of identifying opportunities by looking ahead of time. Now, what do you believe consumers, for instance, will want or be looking out for in the next 3 to 6 months from now, even 1 year, 5 years from now, that they cannot find today on the market? The future trends are a big thing. The likes of Henry Ford for Ford Motors, Sir Tim Berners-Lee for World Wide Web, the internet as we know it today, Bill Gates for Microsoft, Steve Jobs for Apple, Mark Zuckerberg for Facebook, Larry Page for Sergey Brin, Elon Musk for Tesla, SpaceX, and now Twitter, Jack Dorsey, and the list goes on and on, including Sir Richard Branson, Brian Chesky, Joe Gebbia, Nathan Beklazik for Airbnb, and many others have and still look to project the needs of consumers way ahead of time. And in the process, they innovate products and services that will meet such needs. So looking ahead is the playground of innovators. Most inventions have been as a result of someone anticipating the needs of humanity and society and letting that inspire and challenge them to provide the solutions needed to address them beforehand, way ahead of time. And I hope this will set you thinking, get your creative and innovative juices flowing. All right, thank you once again for being part of today's episode. If you need help in starting and growing your business, do not hesitate to reach out. I'll be more than glad to help you. And also, get ready for the Business Building Blocks podcast, which is coming soon. It's going to be very insightful, educative, and very informative for you. And lastly, if 2023 is a year you've ever desired to become a writer and an author, get in touch, sign up, look into the description section. There is a link to sign up for the upcoming book writing workshop. I'm sharing with you what I've developed over a decade of writing, 13 books, publishing 8 to date, helping so many other authors write and publish their books, and also ghostwriting so many other books. I'm more than glad to share with you the 10 easy steps, 10 simple steps to help you to write your book in 10 days. And I mean it, and I hope you take advantage of it. All right, wherever you are, you can join because an online workshop and you can join from anywhere in the world. You can register through the link provided. And if not, I've also provided information on the page that you can reach out to me directly and we can help you to register. For instance, if you are not in a place where you can use a card to complete your registration process. All right, thank you once again and God to bless you. Please think and play back